Let's go see what this one gotta say. Let's go see. Well, hold on. What up, little man? Oh, food sense. You already got the other one coming through. Got both of them. You already know I gotta talk over that music though. See if he hits it. If he hits it, you guys will see. Oh, we got that. I think that's the drifter staying over there. Said it, don't block the street, don't double park, and they ain't gonna trip. They're good, they're cool with everybody being here, just don't block the road. That's all they said. Now, I don't care what you guys do, I ain't policing nothing in. Just letting you guys know what they said. It's up to you guys what you guys wanna do. If you guys come out here. I'm enjoying myself no matter what. That's nice. Oh, I think they might be taking some more cars. They ain't moving. Whoever burned out is getting caught up. Oh, they got him. They got him. Yeah, he messed up, man. He messed up. Everybody trying to find parking now. Cops got them moving. Hearst or 442? 442. Hella packed. I think like last week they said it was all the way past the light over there, which I believe that was a laundry. They were past that. That's how packed it was. So I guess it's gonna have to happen now again, because they don't want double parking and they don't want nobody in the middle of the street. So one way or the other, they're gonna have to go ahead and find parking. Even if we gotta make 4 long blocks of cruising. Do it. Earlier, I don't know what happened. I don't know if they turned out or what.
They started parking again.
They don't move right now. I couldn't get it. Just trying to get you guys. nothing right now. Everybody's all mellowed out because of the cops, but should be popping in a little bit. Hopefully, you know, little hops going on in here and there. We got the homie's car. Fresh is already looking at it. Look at it. Look who we got here. We got the homie Tony Dips. What's up, homie? ¿Cómo estás?
Good.
Aquí, ya sabes.
That's right, homie.
Good to see you, homeboy.
That's my boy, as always.
Make sure you guys follow the homie Tony Dips on Instagram. Gonna back it up. See if they hop. They ain't gonna hop it. Oh, look what we got right here. Midas. What's up, Midas? What's up, canijo?
Chilling?
Ya, ya sabes.
Yeah.
Whis. ¿Le vas a dar tú, verdad, canijo? See what it does. Yeah. No más que tengan cuidado, if it starts hopping, don't have them by the tire.
Over here, that shit inside.
Let's see, I'm gonna pause it. They're still getting it ready, so a whole lot of nothing going on. There we go. That's a high lock up in the rear end. Man, that music in the background, guys, you already know I can't have it on here, so I'm gonna be talking over it, regardless of what you guys think or say. Some of you that working.
Oh, he's mad, bro.
I'll do it again. Bumper. Ooh, nice dead stop right there. Nice dead stop on it.
They just stop right down.
Hell yeah. Hey, ese gas se echó en mi Honda. I need that gas in the Honda. What's up, dog? They working. Look like digital dash on it too. car. Chilling, chilling. Aquí ya sabes, a 100.
Sorry, ya pasó.
Got you. ¿Dónde andan? And you got a trailer on it. It broke. That's just leaking, fool. Overheated.
Hey, he was doing that shit with a trailer on the
Let me see if you guys can see all the way on top. I'm gonna put you guys all the way on top. For the house. Got the homie leaving already. Big dog Rick. Clean ass Malibu with true blue. Flexing on them. You gonna let them flex on you like that?
You flex all the time.
He said he can flex on them all the time. Hey, he survived. They didn't impound it, man. He's still right here. Look, he parked. He parked.
I should have backed it up closer to him. That would have been the picture, but I was afraid they was gonna say something.
Nah, yeah, that's just being cool about it. Like, oh, they're tripping on somebody over there. They're tripping on somebody over there.
There you go. That's what you want. Need to get that shot where he wants in the street with everybody.
Look, he got the street to himself, swinging it. Can't stop that. we should do that. Nobody. Impounding 2 more cars.